Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to dropship from AliExpress to eBay in 2025 the right way. No fluff, no fake hacks, just real steps that work. Let's jump in. Dropshipping means you don't keep inventory, you list a product on eBay, and when someone buys it, you order it from AliExpress, and the supplier ships it directly to your customer. You keep the profit between the eBay sale price and the AliExpress cost. First of all, head to ebay.com, create a free account, and switch to a seller account. You will need to enter your business information, payment method, and bank account for payouts. Now go to aliexpress.com and search for a trending or evergreen product. Use filters for star, 100 orders, free shipping, or e-packet. Stick with really reliable suppliers with good feedback. Avoid branded or copyrighted items to stay safe on eBay. Search for that some product on eBay to see the average selling price. If you can buy it on AliExpress for $5 and it's selling on eBay for $15 to $20, you have got room for profit. Go back to your eBay account, click list an item. Copy the title and photos from AliExpress but rewrite the description in your own words. Set your price with profit in mind and offer free shipping. Then click publish. When you make a sale, head to AliExpress, order the product, and enter your buyer's shipping address or details at checkout. You can even leave a note for the seller like dropshipping. Please do not include invoice or promo material. Once the item ships, get the tracking number from AliExpress and update it in your eBay order. Always message the buyer with updates to maintain great customer service. If you want to scale up, consider using tool like AutoDS DSM tool or any other tool. This help with inventory syncing, price changes, auto ordering, and more. Perfect for managing for 10, 20, or even 100 plus listings. Start small, test different products, avoid count counterfeit or branded goods. eBay is strict. Offer good customer support to get positive reviews. Look for faster shipping suppliers or use AliExpress standard shipping for better delivery. And that's how you start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't drop a like, don't forget to subscribe for e-commerce tutorials, and comment below if you want a full video on automation or customer service tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.